Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to drop unique constraint from a column of an existing table in MySQL. So let's get started. So I am currently using my MySQL bench. So first let me create the database as well as the tables. So let me just now run this command. And if I go to my table description, so here you can see I'm having this unique constraint over here. This is because of this particular constraint that I'm specifying to the column named ID. So now let me just insert some values. So if I just now insert this exact same value twice, I will be getting an error. So if I just now insert it again, so here you can see I'm getting an error. So it says duplicate entry 1 for key mytable.id. So basically this particular column. So now let's see how we can solve this issue, how we can remove this unique constraint from this ID column. So for that you need to just run this command. So let me just now copy it and paste it over here. So it's going to be alter table, and here you need to specify your table name, which is my table in my case, and drop index, and here you need to specify the column name that you want to drop the unique constraint. So in my case it is ID. Yeah, now the error is gone. So let me just have some space. Yeah, so let me just now clear the console, and if I just now run it, here you can see this command has ran successfully. And if I go to my table description, we won't be having unique. Yeah, so here you can see we are not having any unique, and I will just insert some values now. So I will just run this once, run it twice as well, and we can run however times we want. It will be getting the duplicate values will be allowed. There isn't any unique constraint now. So this is the live proof of that, and I hope you have found this video useful. I've also done many other tutorials in MySQL, Node.js, React.js, MongoDB, C++, Java, Python. So do check other videos of my channel, subscribe me, it helps me a lot. Thanks for watching.